Okay, we're going to do a little training on setting up events for a recurring pattern inside of our WordPress site using the Timely Events application. So I'm going to go find the event that I want. I want to use the Enrichment Extravaganza Camps. I'm going to edit this event. And so when we get in, here's what we're going to do. We're going to actually take off no end time in the event because we want the event to start at 8:30 a.m. and then I want it to end at 5 o'clock p.m. And so we're going to go down here and select 5 o'clock p.m. And then I'm going to check this box right here for time zone. I'm going to say, well, it's Denver, but I'm going to say repeat. And that's going to bring up a new window for me to then choose how do I want it to repeat. I can make it repeat daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or set some kind of a custom pattern. So we're just going to choose daily, and we want it to repeat once every day. And so with that, I'm going to set an end date so that it ends on a certain date. And so our camp is actually going to start on June 20th, and I'm going to make it end on June 24th. So now I should then be able to just click on apply. And so it's going to show that this event is going to repeat daily until June 24th, 2016. And it starts on June 20th. And I'm going to leave the end time at 5 o'clock p.m. on the 20th, so that's what's one day is going to look like. And this should make it repeat so that now it will give me that exact same look every day. Let's click on preview changes so we can see what this event looks like on the calendar. So we go over to the calendar, and well, there's the event itself. If I click on calendar for view all events, let's see, let's go here, then we need to go and select June, April, May, June. So I should see, it didn't work. So how do we do this? So if I go inside of this, it's going to tell me some data here. So 8 a.m. Alright, let's go back and let's look at it again, and let's see what is it that we need to do inside here. Maybe I need to tell it, it should give me a preview of it with it like that without me saying update. But let's try that. Let's update it. Then let's go look and get a preview. Okay, so now let's see what it shows us. It should take us back to the inside the event calendar itself. And it doesn't give me an end date right there on the calendar. And let's click on calendar. Let's see what it shows us. It may mean that what we have to actually do is to go through and change one more setting. Let's see. Oh, there it is. I needed to save it. So now that event shows up every day in the calendar. So on any of those days, if somebody clicks on it, it's going to then show the details for that day, 8 o'clock through 5 o'clock, so forth. Alright, then I'm going to close this window again. So we're going to go and edit one more thing in here. So here's our event. If we go down here, we click on this, and this is telling us to align left and to wrap the text. Let's try to align it right and wrap the text. And then maybe we get this all on one line. Let's see, can we preview the changes now, and will it give us an accurate look, or does it give us so there's an image there that's not showing up for some reason. So we have to go figure out what that is, but that gives us all of the data on each of its own lines right there. And we actually have this wrong. Our session 2 should be June or July 25th through the 29th. Let's see. And here's the rest of it. Typical daily schedule. Okay. All right, great. So we're going to close this, and then we'll figure out what this image is right here. I don't know what that image is. We'll have to figure out what that is, and what do we do to either display that or we just get rid of it. Either way, but that's how we would do the edits in there. The rest of what's in here looks great.